Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Merrimack Street Volvo in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have something a bit special. This is a 2016 Volvo S60 T5 front-wheel drive premium. Doesn't sound so special now, does it? As of right now, it doesn't. This one actually has the base motor, the 4-cylinder, the all-wheel drives, came with the 2.5 5-cylinder. But there's something very unique about this car, given the year and age. Get out of here, mosquito. It has 25,000 miles on it. 25,000 miles on a 2016. That is crazy. Sunroof. Look at that. Sonars. Let's go for a drive. Try to do the math here. So, if this is a 2016, it's 2022. I'm talking 6 years old, 25,000 miles. Talking like 4,100 miles a year. That's crazy. Whoa. Okay, for a base motor, that's pretty good. Brakes feel good. Wow. Into sport mode. Again, this is the base motor. There was a motor faster than this. What was this? 240 horse? And the inline 5 turbo was 250, something around those numbers. Yeah, this is behind here. You have a pocket, goes all the way through. This thing was clearly driven very sparingly. Yeah, like 4,100 miles a year. That's crazy. I am so impressed with this thing. I got into it, first of all, I made a mistake. I almost brought this car back and didn't film it. I made a mistake. I thought this was the 5-cylinder. because I've wanted to try a Volvo 5-cylinder for years. Get in the car, realized it's a 4-cylinder. Almost returned it, and then I looked at the odometer, and I said, nope, this deserves a video. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.